Drop in, Max. Use that underhook to drop in, right? Circle towards it.
Fakes in, out.
Circle towards
it. There. Underhook.
Stay low, stay low.
Hey, use that underhook.
Circle towards that and drop in. Circle towards it and drop in.
Nah, there it is. Come on, Max.
Come on, up. Yes, stop moving that. Up. Set up and shoot. Finish. Come on,
Max, you got to drive to that next time. You drive in, he slide through it. Up. Pressure back, pressure back, pressure back.
Clear the arm. You got to clear that arm.
There it's there. Circle 2.
Let's go, Max. Move.
You got 30 seconds. Go.
Get one. Get one, Max. Let's get one. Come on.
Hey, constant movement. You get working on that. Let's go. Move, move, move. We're not just sitting there. Hey. Face up, stand up. Pressure back, pressure back, pressure back. Pressure back. Pressure back. Back. Constant movement on bottom.
Max, if you shoot, you got to finish. You got to keep moving. Don't stop moving.
Let's go, perfect. Let's go.
Finish.
Finish it out.
Drive.
Punch through. Punch through. We got to punch through.
Left arm through.
Punch through, Max. Hey, right arm's got to come over and punch through.
Create